Hey there, I'm Aaron.
And I'm Nicole, and we're living in our now. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
We're your everyday family who realized that if we kept waiting for it to be the right time before we did stuff that we wanted to do as a family in order to create lasting memories,
that our kids would probably be grown and out of the house by then.
We decided that we were going to be deliberate and take the resources and time that we had available to us now in order to make the memories that we were wanting.
Instead of waiting until later, because later is just too late.
2 times each month, we'll be releasing new videos in which we'll be sharing with you our experiences related to travel, family adventures, as well as part-time RV living.
You'll get our recommendations on things to do, places to stay, and other tips, tricks, and probably some laughs along the way.
There's going to be laughs.
Yeah.
So you're going to want to make sure that you're subscribed so that way you're the first to know when we release new content.
Make sure to drop a comment below, say hi, and we can get to know you.
We'll see you soon.